welcome back to my channel. So friends, today we are gonna continue our Elmwood Trail का episode 1 का part 2. So हम वहीं से start करने वाले कंटिन्यू करने वाले हैं जहाँ से हमने लास्ट टाइम छोड़ा था. जिसने अब तक पहले एपिसोड्स नहीं देखे Elmwood Trail के, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू चेक देम आउट फर्स्ट, वरना तुम लोगों को समझ नहीं आएगा. सो लेट्स सी कि आज हमें जोई के बारे में और क्या क्या चीज़ें पता चलने वाली है. आई नो यू गाइज आर लविंग द सीरीज ऑलरेडी, सो मेक श्योर टू हिट दैट लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल and comment something like a review about this series. If you have any suggestions also you can give. So now let's move on to our game. Okay guys, so last time we got a picture from Zoe phone जो कि बेटी का था. So अभी हम वो उसके पास सेंड करने वाले हैं. Let's see उसका रिएक्शन क्या होगा. बेटी here, I have a picture of you. What? How did you get this photo? I am a detective, bro. And why are you sending this to me? I want you to never text me again. Start talking then. What do you know about that address? Yeah, please tell me, Betty. You can do really good for Zoe. You cannot do anything with this. You think you can scare me? I could just forward it to Lily, right? Haha, that Morin will blackmail me now. Oh, isn't she also a tech freak who can easily destroy your image? You got it all wrong, sir. She is just a freak. She is very mean. Mini Wolroof. She is very mean. Well, if you want to take your chances, then let me do the honors. I don't care what you do. Okay. अब शायद हमें लिली के पास भेजना पड़ेगा यार. That little thinks she can blackmail me. Now I know what your real intentions are. ओके ठीक है भाई, मैं तो लिली के पास फॉरवर्ड करते हैं गाइस. ऑप्शन नहीं आया. ओह, बेटी का मैसेज आया. लेट्स सी. डिड यू सेंड हर द फोटो? या आई डिड. देयर एडम. एंड नाउ शी इज कंसर्न्ड. यू कैन नॉट डू दैट, प्लीज वेट. वेल देन जस्ट आंसर माय क्वेश्चंस. या बेटी प्लीज. Who gave you this photo? It is impossible you got it by yourself. इसको मैं बता तो नहीं सकती हूँ कि I have Zoe का phone. I need answers, Betty. Yeah, exactly. Okay, fine. I will tell you everything I know. Okay, let's get started with the address first. There's nothing to tell really. Oh, okay. It was just the venue for the party. You were providing the passes, so you must have selected the venue. No, it was not me, trust me. Oh, I trust you. So whose place was that? How would I know that? Said liar कहीं की. इसे ही पता होगा. इसी का होगा बल्कि, या फिर इसी फ्रेंड वगैरह का. I mean, I was just told about the venue. That's it. So who told you about that? Zoe, yeah, she invited me. Zoe को तो इसने invite किया था. Seriously, how much can you lie? Betty, I don't trust me. Trust me, I know. You invited Zoe and got her the passes. It was Kyle. Now who is this Kyle? It was Kyle's uncle's house. एक तो तुम लोगों को irritating नहीं लग रहा ना बालों में हाथ. Sorry, अब नहीं कर रही हूँ. Who is Kyle? Yeah, who is this Kyle now? Let me बताओ मुझे. He is the quarterback on our school football team, and he is also my boyfriend. Okay, Betty also have a boyfriend. So no, he has nothing to do with this. Okay, where was Kyle the night Zoe disappeared? वो तो Kyle को पता होगा. Yeah, he was with me all night. What more do you wanna know? Was his uncle aware of this party? He gifted this place to him his last birthday. He really doesn't care what Kyle does with it. Can you believe that? Yeah, I can actually. I mean, he's so amazing, right? But I cannot believe that he's so amazing. Alright, I need Kyle's contact number because वही clearly अच्छे से बता पाएगा. I'm not sure about this, sorry. Betty, you know what's at stake here, don't you? It's Zoe. No, sir, I'm dead serious. You're gonna give his number like that? Also, he told me not to. He would break up with me. इतनी सी बात पे चल red flag. प्लीज़ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. या फिर यार प्राइवेसी बोल सकते हैं ना. हर एक चीज़ पे तो मैं वो लड़की बन गई रेड फ्लैग. आई एम सॉरी गाइज. लेकिन एक डिटेक्टिव को तो नंबर दे ही देना चाहिए व्हेन अ डिटेक्टिव नो सो मच अबाउट हर फ्रेंड एंड ऑल. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. सेंसिबल पीपल को दे सकता है. Do whatever you want. We are done here. Oh, guys. Now I need to figure out everything myself. I need Kyle's का contact number. Kyle का contact number दो भाई मुझे कोई. Oh. What is this? Oh no, I literally would not. Okay, आगे हमें क्या करना है? Check the item on your desk. Oh, there is something on my desk. We all want Zoe back. May this help you in finding her. What? Okay, find a website to get the car info and all. It's Falco VX and the number is 42. Okay. We do have the browser, right? Falco.com. Okay, about Riverstone. No, I don't need that. Riverstone map. No. क्या करूँ ऐसा मैं टाइप? Find a website to get. Oh, there can a mail about it really. Car. Fista.com. Okay, it's Fista.com. Wait, let me search it. It's Fista.com. Oh, it's I guess Falco. And ये तो पता नहीं कलर क्या था. It's a white car and देख लेता वो भी. It's VX. It's white. अब इन तीनों में से तुक्के मारूं मैं? या ये नहीं लिखा हुआ है exactly यहीं पे कहीं पे. Find match, no matches found. Sedan से there are some matches जो मिले हैं and SUV से तो this is definitely Sedan. Okay. अब बस ये बता दो है कौन सी. It's VX42 bro. I guess यही होगी. Hi Bill, this is Detective Adjective बोल रही हूँ. वाह. Hi Bill, this is Detective Adam Lane. I'm investigating the case of Zoe Lynn. Not Adam name, but a dodgy name. And what Zoe? I've never heard that name in my life. I'm sorry, sir, but who is this? Oh, messaging me first and then asking who I am. You imbecile! How the hell do you know my name? Don't you dare pull that detective shit on me. Hey, calm down. Just tell me who I am speaking to. This is Bill Frederick's son, a 64-year-old hunter and soon potentially your murderer. Too bad there ain't gonna be anyone to solve your case, mister. I'm sorry, sir. I made a mistake. Yeah, गलत बंदे के पास मैसेज कर दिया. You better be like apologizing. I was just going to have my sandwich and now it's all cold. मुझे भी चाहिए sandwich. Who's gonna compensate me for that? No one. Shit, ये क्या कर दिया? Yeah, let's head back. कोई और होना चाहिए. Sedan and white fine match. Is it Mike? Oh, okay. He's the right person. Hi Mike, this is Detective Adam Lane. I'm investigating the case of Zoe Lenord. इसका नाम कितना प्यारा है, Zoe Lenord. Zoe Lenord from Riverstone. Hi, yeah, exactly. Yeah, do you know any other Zoe Lenord? She was just my classmate, so I used to see her like sometimes in the school. You guys also met on the night she disappeared, right? Are you suspecting that I have something to do with this? Was she in your car on the day of the party? Question. Definitely यार. Question मार के उधर question. How to answer your question? I'm not scared of you. I know she was in your car. had nothing to do with any of this. We didn't even talk much. What would you like to say about this? Yes. If I give it to police, it could get you in big trouble, bro. So just answer. Who gave you this? How is this? It's not possible. Drop the act now. But it had nothing to do with her going missing. I invited her to my car just to help her. She was sitting by front lawn by herself. I could see she was upset and I wanted to help her. What would make her sad exactly, Mike? Brad, her boyfriend. Okay. I don't know what happened, but I heard they had a pretty huge argument over something. So I found her. I thought she could use some help. So did you help her? Yes, obviously. I just wanted to provide her with some emotional support. She looked like she could use it. I asked her what happened and what was going on with her. And what did she tell you? Oh. She did open a bit about hers and Brad's relationship. She told me that Brad, she used to like him a lot, but Brad behavior had changed a lot around her recently. I was not the same person anymore. Brad is sus. Just that and she left. Just that and she left? Seems abrupt. I don't get it. I'm just telling you what happened. I want the whole truth, Mike. Don't mess me around. कोई भी ऐसे ही तुम चला जाएगा. कुछ तो believe. What can I say to make you believe me? I think you don't realize what will happen if that photos come out. Trust me, the photo alone can completely ruin you. No, wait, I will tell you exactly what happened. Dekha. I actually liked her, but she got into a relationship with Brad and broke my heart at first. Oh, Chara. When I finally came to know she is not happy with him, I thought this was my chance. And क्या कर दिया? अब सब कुछ उल्टा सीधा नहीं. There was a moment that we were holding hands. I just went in for a, वाह, stop, Mike. इधर के इधर. A girl in emotional support. I went in for. Ew, yaar. I realized my mistake early on though. I tried saying sorry, but she slapped me and left. I swear that's all. I'm glad she did that. You deserve it, bro. Yeah, actually, मेरी तरफ से भी एक. I'm sorry. Please don't share that photo with anyone. Just tell me if you have any idea who clicked this picture. How would I know? Someone must have done this to frame me. Do you know Kyle? Yeah, he's also a part of a football team. But not that close enough. Can you get me his contact details somehow? I don't know. Maybe you can get this from his girlfriend Betty. She's closest to Kyle. About that, Betty has denied helping. How can I help you then, right? I think she's the only one right now who can help you. Betty is basically the key to anything on Kyle. Okay, then do you know anything about Betty? Question ही करते रहता हम इसको. I gotta think. She spammed these emails to almost everyone in the school. Huh? My girlfriend told me about this. She was pretty irritated by that. He had a girlfriend and he was trying Zoe. Yo, red flag. This is exactly a red flag. This is how exactly a red flag look like. This person. Oh my god, I need to contact his girlfriend and tell her. Oh no. What meals? Disgusting करेगा. How can you do that to Zoe यार? अगर Zoe उसकी कार से नहीं गई होती इनकी इस हरकतों की वजह से Zoe should have been safe, है ना? Safe होती वो अभी तक. I don't know exactly. It's regarding some merch of hers or something. Did you ever buy any of her merch? Nah, that shit's for girl. Oh. She's pretty rich and has a huge following anyway, not a tough sell for someone like her. Okay, is there something else that you know? She also used to have some girls' night every Friday at Marjorie. My girl Tiffany used to go there. Okay, she's Tiffany. Tiffany, stay away from Mike. The small cafe near the school and Lily के घर के भी पास था शायद, I guess. Yes, Tiffany told me they used to munch and gossip. एक सेकंड, ये स्कूल में है ये लोग? They're not dating, bro. मुझे नहीं. Yes, Tiffany told me they used to munch and gossip. Oh, maybe वो स्कूल के near होगा, but ये लोग college में. Tiffany told me they used to munch, gossip, cuddly stuff. Anyway, that's all I know. That's probably enough. How is it enough? Hey man, this photo does not come out. No, it won't come out until I. The police had nothing. If this reaches them, I will be done. Mike, I would advise you to never take advantage of an emotionally vulnerable person. Trust me, dude, I will be a changed man. Shit, guys, I kind of forgot to turn off the volume. I hope so उसमें ना सुन रहा हो, वरना वीडियो कॉपीराइट पड़ जाती है. वीडियो पे कॉपीराइट आ जाता है. Okay, now what else do I need to do? Okay, we need to connect the clues. Okay, so Zoe and Brad had a terrible fight. Zoe left the party and was sitting alone. ये इसके साथ, oh no, ये इसके साथ, ये इसके साथ. फिर पूरा read करता है पैराग्राफ जो बना है. Zoe was highly upset over something that she and Brad had fought badly about. Mike is telling the truth about outraging her by his disgusting actions. He is now being framed by the anonymous person मुझे नहीं खेलना who sent us the picture, but who is it? Betty's merch and website could possibly lead to some information about her boyfriend Kyle. Okay, I do need to check the merch of Betty's then. Okay, Betty's नहीं Betty. It's Adam का phone, it's Zoe का phone. Talk to किससे? Tachyonic. Hey, we hope that you are enjoying the game so far. Yeah, we really are actually. The game is developed by a small team of 3. Oh my god! It would really help us. I'm so sorry, मैं इसको वीडियो के बीच में रेट नहीं कर सकती, but I will rate the game after like video, okay? No problem. We hope you enjoy the rest of the game. Surely, I will rate it a 5 with 5 stars. Tachyonic. Okay, it's been 34 days since Zoe disappeared. What the hell, Adam? Oh, it's Maxwell. Oh, I guess ये वही है जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे. Maxwell गुस्सा हो जाएगा. You working on that missing girl's case? No. Tim confirmed it. I told you not to get your hands on that case. How dare you? Do you even know what could be the consequence of this? I don't want to work for you anymore. I'm not answerable to you. You know very well what I mean. What are you doing? Why are you doing this? I'm fed up listening to you and giving up on good cases. So you have decided you're gonna go against me? Whatever helps you. It's time you start finding a new profession, detective. Pretty comfortable talk, guys. रिकवरिंग. चलो भाई, जोई के फोन पे रिकवरिंग करते हैं. क्या करना है? मुझे तो इसका कोई पासवर्ड मिला नहीं है. करना क्या है? I'm literally cooked, guys, right now here. देखो उधर and उधर. Let me do it with like complete start. Wait, are you serious? I did it! पागलपन बंती छा गई है मेरे मुंह में, मत जाओ। ओके, फाइनली 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 what is this? Pick up the phone. Okay, this is some person. Hey Rajan, can your dad drop me? Okay, Brad के साथ कुछ ज़्यादा ही लड़ाइयाँ हो गई हैं I believe. तो एक कोई चैट रिकवर हो रही है, इसका भी कॉन्टैक्ट कर बेटा. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. मेल पे देख लेता है. बेटी जॉनसन. देयर इट इज. फॉलो मी एंड पिक्सअप. वेट, I will see what Pixaball is बाद में. एंड ये भी कुछ है जो लगे काम का नहीं लग रहा है. What's that? Oh, wait, I can do this. That's nice. ये कैसे किया मैंने? दोबारा करना है. Oh, like this. तो अभी मुझे क्या करना है? Find a way to get Kyle का contact. और भी कुछ क्लियर हुआ है. इसको भी ऐसे कर लूँ क्या? ये मुझे तो मज़े आ रहा है. कुछ भी कर रही हूँ लेजेंड. ओके, तो काइल का कॉन्टैक्ट चाहिए. मेल पे देखते हैं कि बेटी ने क्या भेजा है. बेटी जॉनसन. नो, नॉट दिस वन. bettyblogs.com. Come on, we need to do it. bettyblogs.com. oh wait, Zoe is missing. Oh, she is like posting for Zoe. I don't know कि इसका कुछ अब पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है guys. I don't know literally what is this. Although आप लोग को यहाँ पे लग रहा होगा तो इस वाले मोबाइल में actually मेरा माइक सेट नहीं हुआ. That's why I could not use it. Halloween. Hey guys, and Kyle and I are strong with. I know guys everything. Oh, Kyle के बारे में. I know guys, for all the single girl. ये लो भाई, नंबर तो मिल गया मुझे. नंबर छोड़ो, रुको. नहीं, shut up. I will see about that. Anyways, what's going on? Trust me, everything is fine. Me and Kyle, we are not breaking up. He's still mine. And boys, you can stop spamming. I'm still taken. So mainly in this vlog, I will be clearing this rumor that I heard is making headlines about me. It's hard not to find it all a little bittersweet. I know that Fulang Photo has been making round on social media. I obviously confronted him, and it was just a stupid dare. Honestly, this was a very stupid dare. I mean, who does that? It's like playing with your privacy and all and all and all and all. This is like not looking like a very nice dare and daring person. I'm sorry, Betty, you know what I'm doing. Anyways, hi Carl, this is Detective Adam Lane and investigating the case of Zoe Leonard. Who gave you my number? I hope so you did not miss the I am a detective part. Hey dude, just stay away from me. I'm not interested in answering any of your questions. Your few answers might help us find Zoe. Obviously, we all are trying to find her. But we are not going to trust and tell everything to a random stranger who goes on saying that he will solve the case. This is not nice, Kyle. The only difference is that I'm not a random stranger, but a detective and a pretty good one. Haha, let's other decide if you are any good. Answer my question and we will be done. I don't feel good about this. Please, Kyle, it's for your friend Zoe. Come on, bro. I mean, it's for girlfriend friend. अगर तुम्हारी भी friend थी तो it's nice. Don't get me wrong. It's not like I don't want to help. It's just that I'm not getting the right vibes here. How so? I'm just messing around with you. You look like a smart kid. I know you don't want any trouble. You are gonna blackmail me just like you did to Betty. In my language, it's called getting the job done. But hey, Betty ने सब बता दी इसको. Nice, nice. In my language, that's something highly unethical. I know you guys had a party on night of 23rd of December, and it was at your uncle's mention, yeah, so what? I organized it. It was just a party and nothing wrong happened with Zoe. She was completely fine when she left. Betty was giving out the passes, right? Yeah, she had some experience with all this shit. Why would a teen house party require passes? Wait, they are not adults, they're just teenagers and they're dating. This is not right, guys. We send out passes to make sure only the cool people shop. We don't want any killjoys. Do you remember any of your interactions with Zoe? Nothing special, just casual party stuff, I guess. She and Betty arrived together. We had a few drinks by the pool, clicked some pics, played a game, normal party stuff. Did Zoe had an argument with Brad? Yeah, Brad dared one of our friends to spill a drink on Zoe's dress. Zoe got pretty mad about it. She kind of overreacted. It was just a minor argument. उसकी एक इतनी प्यारी ड्रेस हो गया एंड वो तुम खराब करने की बात कर रहे हैं एंड देन यू आर सेइंग इट इज जस्ट अ माइनर आर्गुमेंट. Zoe overreacted. Anyone saw Zoe living the party? I don't think so. Hey bro, can you please make it forever ago? I'm almost done. Just send me the list of people who were invited. I don't have that. Betty was handling the invitations. I will ask Betty to drop you the list. Thank you. We are done here. Thank you, Kyle. Read Zoe diary note. Oh. I can let time be free, watch it fly away like a bird, or I freeze it into moments, watch it hand spell out the word. I don't know, let's see. Time से कुछ है related. इसका गैलरी में ही होती है ऐसी चीज़ें. घड़ी. Only gift है. Clock है क्या आंसर? Is the answer the clock? C. CK. No, it's not clock actually. WATCH. No. What? What is this? ALARM. Everything is 5 words, bro. Nothing interesting really. How to figure it out? Alarm भी तो time. TIME. Yeah, exactly. I hope so that works. It didn't. Time यार और क्या हो सकता है ये यार. Okay guys, sorry but I have to do a little cheat in it and it's live. Yeah. Oh wait. LIV. Yeah, मैं थोड़ा cheating चलता है, right? Right. I still remember last summer when I finally started bonding with Betty Johnson. She always gave me that mean girl vibe who rules the school. It all started when we talked trash about the school rule during our detention. Next thing I know, we are having parties and girls' night out together. She is like my best girl now. Hey, wait, where is Lily? On the other hand, I have recently started receiving some strange letters with sketchy symbols on them. We should not be probably friends with Betty. Most probably it's nothing. Someone must be playing on a prank on me. Yeah, definitely a prank of some sort, okay? I don't know myself why I'm lying to myself. I'm kind of freaked out. I cannot stop thinking about this. I need to talk to someone. Oh, and what is this? Oh, recovering data आ गया. ये चलो बहुत अब दिमाग खराब होगा. Oh, okay. What is this? 71 तक पहुँचाना है. Okay, 26 and okay, 26 and 3. Okay guys, I've got a bit hint and the first is 27. Okay, तो अब हम बारी बारी से सब कुछ try करने वाले हैं. This, no. Okay, the first is 27, 2 and then 10. Oh. Okay, we have to check with 3 last and then फिर 20 वाला. Oh! Are you serious bro? इनका multiplication होना चाहिए था क्या 17, 27? नहीं यार, I don't believe that. वो तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. पता नहीं क्या ही था यार ये. Messages. Brad, did you reach home?
I didn't mean to do that. Please come back. I'll make it up to you. I promise. At least pick up the phone. Give me a chance to explain.
No. Okay, this is Brad के साथ. Zoe, where are you? Your parents are miserable. We all are really worried. Please call us if you see this. I see this, but Zoe, wait. What is this? Hey Zoe, coming today? Can't, little busy. No worries, even I will skip. Then you should not. You need practice. Yeah, I'm laughing loser. Who is this bro? Wait. Okay, mail में देखते हैं क्या हुआ है recover. Lily का project. Hey Zoe, here are project files. Okay, वगैरह. And then this. Hey, ये तो बहुत blur है. हाँ, इतना blur क्यों है ये? Wait, can I like? I can clear it. Happy birthday, Jerry. Yeah, look, I can make it clear. Happy birthday, Jerry. Talk to Betty. Hi, I'm so good. Kyle number after all. I must say I'm impressed. You don't need to grow. तुमने social media पे पूरा सा उड़ाया हुआ था उसका number. He told me you wanted a list of people who went to the party, but I'm sorry I don't have the list. How can you not have a list, girl? I made the passes, but my send mails clear up automatically every 2 weeks to make space. It's also a matter of privacy. I don't want anyone to find out what emails I'm sending out. That's all. Don't you remember a few names who were there? Let me think. Brad, Kyle, and Zoe were obviously there, of course. Melanie was there. Melanie. Gretchen, Kathy, Kevin, Mike, Lily, that new girl, Valeria. That's probably all I remember. What? Lily was there? No, I don't believe Lily. Yes, she was there. But why would you invite her? Oh, I don't hate her. I just don't like her presence. Also, Zoe called her even after I told her not to. Okay, Zoe had a fight at the party. Is that right? With Brad. Yes, it was over stupid dare that Brad gave to Luke to throw a drink on Zoe's dress. I don't know why this incident infuriated Zoe so much. She got pretty angry over just a dress. Anyway, I will be going now. Best of luck with whatever you are doing. Thanks, Betty. Now you're behaving yourself. Thanks. That's make Lily talk. Lily. Hey Lily, how are you? Hi, I'm good. How the case going on? Got any leads? Yes, got leads on you. What? I don't understand. Betty gave me a few names who visited the party and your name was on list. What? That lying moron. Moron. Why would I go to a party full of idiots, excluding Zoe obviously? I felt like a fool trusting you all along. किस पे भरोसा करूँ? नहीं Betty पे विश्वास कर पाती हूँ. Like Lily, I was speaking the truth. I didn't go. You were Zoe's best friend. She must have invited you. Yeah, she had. I got no invitations, and Zoe knew I was not interested in any such events. If I had to trust one of you, Oh shit. Yeah, I would trust Lily. I would trust you. I hope so I'm making a right choice. You have to. I'm telling the truth, but he just wants you to suspect me. She's playing with you. One of you is lying. I'll find out who it is. Then it's up to you. I have told you everything I knew. Now believe me if you want to. Else God may help you find Zoe. Okay? It's really scary, guys. Oh wait. एक तो कुछ भी ऑन हो जाता है. Okay, wait. What? Access Pixaball. Pixaball. तो गैलरी की सारी फोटोज तो देख ले क्या है. Oh, she is Lily forever and always. Nice. Pixaball. App content hidden from screen. Password क्या है भाई? Forgot password. Oh, what's your pet name? इसका pet का name Jerry है, right? Jerry. Yeah. Gather any info on Lily being at the party. Good times and tan lines, cleaner, pretty beauty, looking good. Phew, Pixaball is safe. Hope you are not jealous. What, you're dead girl. Guys, I literally cannot see anything. Look like Lily. Oh, okay. भाई ऐसे ही सब बोलते उसकी फोटो कर दी पोस्ट. अरे कम ऑन, उसका मुंह की शक्ल बिल्कुल ऐसा. Now believe me, yes, I believe you, Lily. I गलती कर दी मैंने इस पे ट्रस्ट करके guys. But also I don't want to trust Betty. What is this? You at the party, girl? Where did you find it? Delete this photo, please now. I thought I would trust you, Lily. I thought that was my mistake. Just tell me where you got this photo and please delete it. I found it on social media app called Pixaball. Betty posted it. I'm going to kill her. At least she's not lying. Please delete this photo from here. Lily, we need to discuss a few things about that night before anything. I will tell you everything. But please delete the photo from this chat first. Trust me one last time. No. Let's do it. हो जाना. There you go. Now speak. Thank you, sir. But I'm sorry, I have no choice. What? Lily? Lily is sus, guys. Connect the clues. Lily, you are very sus. Lily, Brad gave someone a dare to spoil Zoe's dress without her knowledge. That led to a heated argument. Zoe was highly upset and bothered that night. Although Kyle said it was a minor argument, Lily was at the party. Everyone is trying to hide something major that happened at the party. It's been 40 days. Oh my god. Emma, hey, are you trying to find Zoe? Yes, I am. Why? Who are you? I'm Emma Leonard. I'm Zoe's mother. Oh, hello, ma'am. Hello. Yeah, Zoe. Being a mom, it's almost impossible to believe that our little girl who has been living with us since she was just a little baby would run away from us, from our own family. I know it's hard, but I don't believe she ran away. Oh yes, you have no idea. The police guy come to us and says that She ran away. Think I would believe it. They confirmed this because her mobile and bicycle were missing. And what is the reason? They say it. Yeah, what the reason they say it? Because if you teen had done it before, I knew my daughter, she would never. And who knows if the other teens also. Ma'am, you can trust me. I know something is off about all this. I'm happy that at least someone believes that what all police said was nonsense. Have you got anything on her? I have good leads. We will find her, Emma. Let me know if I can help you in any way. I will do anything to have her back. Did Zoe like to go outside often? She used to go out in the neighborhood. Lily's place sometimes to the nearby cafe or her dad's shop. She also enjoyed going to the Elmwood Forest a lot. Did something related to Zoe within the family? There was this one thing she always wanted to go. Hutton University was her dream, and last time she got her letter, she got in. You must be really proud. We were, that's sad, we were. But we could not send her out of the site. We were afraid of the world out there. She was just a girl. How could she deal with everything? We also did not have the money to pay the cost. You went against her dream. That's not nice. It's not like that. We were just looking out for her. That's what parents do. If you are a parent, you must know how it is each day without our little girl. I don't know if we are parent or not. Like, it's just hurt. Please take care, ma'am, and let me do my work. Thank you. Let me know if anything is required from us. Page 3 has been recovered. Memories captured, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. But guys, I believe कि this is where our episode 1 का part 2 ends. Yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoy watching the video. If you did, don't forget to rate a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and मैं आपसे किसी next video में मिलती हूँ. And I really hope so this video doesn't get a copyright, as like I have literally used the music thoda. But anyways guys, I hope so you are enjoying the series so far. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.